It's really no different than any other career. I mean, you have scheduling, you have planning, budgeting, of course. I guess the big difference is that my boss, I want to slather in kisses all day long. And I can, without being sued for sexual harassment.
And you don't miss the job at all?
You know, sometimes I think I miss it, but then I remember all they really liked about me was the money that I made for them. You know, I mean, this is real. These guys dig me. I am a diva, a giant, a goddess. I'm perfect. Aren't I perfect?
Mommy, I don't feel good.
What's the matter, honey? You got a tummy ache? Yeah? I think maybe it's from eating 16 pieces of cake and beef jerky and a balloon. Yeah.
Oh, is he gonna be okay?
Oh, yeah. Just a little teaspoon of this. It is magic, and he will poop very shortly. It'll slide right out. Good boy.
Well, maybe you should take him home.
Yes, maybe we shall. You want to go home?
And you too.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness, what do you feed this kid?
What do I feed you? All right, I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see
Thank
you.
you.
Come on, hon.
Such a good boy helping your mom. Oh, sweetie. What? Oh, honey, what's wrong? Sweetie,
Hey, little man, what's the matter?
I don't think he's feeling
Are you
well.
okay? What's the matter? You gotta make a poo-poos? You gotta make a poo-poo. You gotta make a little poo-poo, yeah. What's going on, man? Huh? Ain't that cute? You made a little surprise for mommy.
Mom,
Go ahead.
hey,
Mommy, take
Daryl,
it.
why me? I did it last time.
Wash your hands before you make dinner.
Come on, Calvin. Come on.
Oh.